Okay, first remove the plastic panel up front. All you have to do is loosen up the tabs and pull them out. It takes a Phillips screw and remove the tabs. After that, there is 3 bolts holding the inverter. Front two, remove them completely. So all you have to do is just make the inverter tilt up. Once you loosen up the back bolt, you will be able to tilt the inverter. So when you see, once you lift it, you have just enough room to work on the water pump. So in the water pump there are 3 bolts. I believe it's a 10mm bolts. 2 of them are easy. You use a really long extension with a socket and you can remove them. And there is 1 bolt, it's kind of hard. Maybe you can use like a flexible extension. I used a wrench, a ratcheting wrench, and I was able to take it off. Kind of tight, but it's possible. Then I remove the wire connector with a needle nose plier, squeeze the tab, and it will come out. Now I can move the water pump um, all the way up, and I'll have enough room to remove the clamps and remove the 2 hoses. The bottom one, I just squeezed the clamp and moved it, and I'm gonna put both of my hands inside and twist it in order to remove it. It's being kind of stubborn, but I was able to get it out. Then all you have to do is just the reverse of removal. Um, put the 2 hoses back, put back the 3 bolts, make sure the clamps are in the correct position and they're all tight. Then connect the wire connector, the harness. And after that, all you have to do is put the 3 bolts to the inverter. It's coming up right there. So tighten up all 3 bolts. After that, put the front plastic cover on and fill it up with coolant. Sorry, I didn't get that on video. Make sure to use the Toyota pink coolant on it. Job is